We've got a team meeting. We do this generally every 3 months. We get the audiologists and all the front of house staff, all the staff together, which is brilliant because we get to chat about maybe difficult cases, things that have changed, things that have evolved in the industry. We share ideas. It's just really good fun.
Yeah, we're going to collaborate, all the great minds together. So good thing when you're a patient of Regain Hearing, you're not just getting one of us, you're getting a whole collective team. And hopefully, today we can work on sort of new things for our business, going to make the patient experience much better for you.